Infor CPQ delivers fast, accurate, easy-to-read orders of highly configurable products. With an intuitive product configuration engine, Infor CPQ helps your dealers and salespeople guide customers through the buying process. Your team can access a knowledge base of all of your customizable products to present the customer with a single integrated quote. The rules-driven platform is designed for enterprise quoting and dynamic pricing. It can instantly produce a configuration-specific price list, dealer cost, and quoted selling price for the customer. Infor CPQ generates 2D or 3D models, drawings, and manufacturing information that makes it easy to view customized product configurations and quotes. With ERP-integrated instructions and bills of materials, you can easily create detailed proposals. Built with the latest mobile-enabled technologies, the intuitive search capabilities allow users to quickly find the right quote, product, and product information. The rules-based user experience and business logic platform efficiently manages complex pricing and discounting structures to deliver an optimal, personalized experience for the customer. Detailed, visually engaging product configuration helps users understand and select available features, options, attributes, rates, and dimensions. Easy-to-read views of projected profits are available to your sales teams as orders are being configured, helping them meet margin objectives and customer requirements with more efficient upselling. Infor CPQ creates a competitive advantage by streamlining the path from engagement to conversion. Bring off-the-shelf quality to your make-to-order and engineer-to-order products.